male candidate number 1. Please step forward up. Okay. Still one. Okay, the number of the picture that will be shown for candidate number 1 will be picture number 6.
Okay, so the picture behind me is representing some educational progress for young children. And personally, in my own opinion, I think that it's very hard for people with no money to afford for their child. Parents and lonely parents don't have any money to give their child proper education. So I believe that I need to give them proper education. Once again, I need kids always need proper education for their infants. Therefore, if they aren't popularized properly, they cannot be alive. In other words, educational fees should be lower or even free, just so the kids can learn and others can be taught.
Okay,
Thank you very much and have a good day.
Okay, don't tayo na candidate number 1, nanginginig naman. Thank you so much, candidate number 1, for that answer. At this point, let's call in candidate number 2. Please speak your number. We have number 2. Picture number 2 for candidate number 2.
No, yes, please.
Hello po, magandang umaga po sa inyo lahat. Ang tinutukoy po ng larawan na ito ay mga batang manloris na walang sapat na nutrisyon. Bilang isang kabataan, ako pinay pagtulungan at nahihila ako sa feeding program o alimang program ng gobyerno na makatulong po sa mga bata o individual. Para po, matulungan po ito ng mga batang ito. May pagtulong-tulungan po tayo para makatulong po sa mga batang ito at para po maiwasan ng mga bata na hirap po makakain. And I thank you.
Thank you so much, candidate number 2. Now for our third question for candidate number 2. I'm very relaxed sa ating candidate number 2 na. And the number is also show number. Please show the number. Number 3 also. Good morning, everyone. The image show bullying. As a student, my contribution to combating bullying is to join organization that raises awareness and help to achieve a positive result. And I thank you. Thank you so much. Candidate number 3 for the short and simple answer. And last but not least, of course, let's now have candidate number 4. We have number 7.
No.
Ang ipinapakita ng collage kung paano bilang ng social media at teknolohiya ang lahat ng generasyon ito ay simbolo ng kanyang koneksyon at nagpapakita ito ng kaadikan ng mga bata ang social media kasi sila ay bibigyan nga ng mga Facebook, TikTok, at Instagram at mga online games. Bakit ito?
Alright? Time's up for candidate. Thank you so much. Male candidates. And now we welcome back our lovely female candidates for the question and answer portion.